Hello, world! I hope everything is great. My name is James. From James Bugsik Videos. Are you in to hot pot? Or you like shabu shabu, Korean, Japanese style food? Well, we'll give you a reference because we bought the most affordable hot pot in Amazon. The Amazon affordable hot pot. Let's dive in and have a look. Amazon box. This is made in China, by the way. If you're curious. Right. Let's open it up. Yes, there it is. It's protected with two styrofoam, both sides. Comes with an adapter. It's lightweight, made out of hard plastic, steel. Let's pop it open. Comes with a cover. It's a glass. Comes with a manual. Not English. The lid handle. Open it up. Alright. This. Let's try to assemble it. Yep. To protect from the heat. Put it inside. Put it in. Alright. This goes through here. This space here where you make your barbecue or grill, and here would be the soup cover. Alright, let's open it up. Goes with the heat level knob. I don't know what this is, but this should be on because there's a click. One minimum, maximum for 5. This should go in here. Alright, yeah, put it on. Yep. There it is. Let's try and put it to the test. Yeah, there it is. You see the light? We'll put a bit of water and see. And there you have it, folks. The most affordable hot pot in Amazon. Subscribe.
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 Subscribe na!